Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI. Look at this amazing mirror. This mirror has turned out to be the most interesting piece in my house. I love it. It did exactly what I wanted it to do. I had little tiny mirrors all over this little wall here between my door and my front window, and I just wanted something different, something modern, something that would catch the eye, and this mirror definitely did it. I love the shape. I love how odd it looks, and the thing is that you could put this in any room that you wanted it to. It is definitely a focal piece in whatever room it's in. And whether you decide to put it horizontally or vertically is definitely up to you. It looks great both ways. Since I decided to finally put it on this skinny wall here, I decided to put it long ways, and I definitely like the way that it turned out. Another thing that I really admire about this mirror is how well it's made. I also love that it came packaged very well. I didn't think it was going to get injured in the mail at all by the packaging it came in. But I love the thickness of it. Like I said, this is right by my front door and I've got kids, so sometimes that door gets slammed and I'm not worried about this falling. It's designed to be hung very snugly to the wall, and we didn't have any problems hanging it. It was very easy to do, and I know that it's going to stay safe and secure there. It was also very easy to clean and has a beautiful reflection. So if you're looking for a focal piece in your living room or whatever room, you've found it. And that is my point of view.